What is the history of Lewy body dementia? Have you ever wondered how Lewy body dementia came to be recognized as a distinct condition? The history of Lewy body dementia, often abbreviated as LBD, spans over a century and is quite fascinating. It all began in 1912, when Dr. Frederick Henry Lewy made a significant discovery while studying Parkinson's disease. He identified abnormal protein deposits in the brain, which we now call Lewy bodies. These are eosinophilic intracytoplasmic inclusions found in specific brain areas like the dorsal vagal nuclei and substantia innominata. The term Lewy bodies was later coined by neuropathologist Konstantin Tretiakov in 1919. Fast forward to 1961, when Japanese researcher Okazaki suggested a link between Lewy bodies and dementia. This was a pivotal moment in understanding LBD. In 1976, psychiatrist and neuropathologist Kenji Kosaka provided a detailed description of dementia with Lewy bodies in an autopsied case. By 1980, he introduced the term Lewy body disease based on further studies, helping to establish LBD as a unique clinical and pathological entity. The 1980s marked a turning point in recognizing LBD. Researchers developed a technique called alpha-synuclein immunostaining, which made it easier to detect Lewy bodies in post-mortem brain tissue. This advancement led to more detailed case reports and classification efforts worldwide, with significant contributions from researchers in Japan and the United Kingdom. In 1995, an international consortium held the first workshop aimed at unifying terminology and establishing consensus clinical and pathological diagnostic criteria for dementia with Lewy bodies. These criteria were revised in 2003 and further refined in 2007, enhancing the accuracy of diagnosis. Despite its similarities to Alzheimer's disease, LBD remains less widely recognized and continues to be an active area of research. Throughout its history, Lewy body dementia has been understood as a neurodegenerative disorder marked by the presence of Lewy bodies in the brain. This condition leads to symptoms that overlap with both Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases, including cognitive decline, movement difficulties, and behavioral changes. The evolving understanding of LBD reflects advances in neuropathology, clinical neurology, and diagnostic technology. It highlights the importance of distinguishing LBD from other types of dementia for effective care and management. Understanding this history can help us appreciate the complexities of dementia and the ongoing efforts to improve diagnosis and treatment.